Hi and welcome back. In this lesson you will learn how to steal the login information from victims using a malicious Wi-Fi captive portal with social media connectivity options. And to do that I'm going to use Roach Wi-Fi script. So let's download the script by scrolling up and click clone or download. And copy the GitHub link and go to the terminal and type git clone and paste the URL. Once done with that, change directory to the script folder. And now you will need to copy all the files from this directory to the Apache web server location by typing cp-r and put the star wildcard. This star represents all files. And then type the location, which is /var/www/html. Okay, now let's change directory to /var/www/html and see if I have successfully copied the files. And I will list the content of this directory using the ls command. And here you can see I have all the files. Okay, so at this point you can run the script by typing ./wifi.sh and put the wireless interface WLAN 0. And the second interface which provides you with internet access. And in my case I have internet access from ETH0. So the second interface will be used to give internet access to the users when they have submitted the login credentials. And lastly, type the access point name. And I will use free Wi-Fi and press enter. And now the access point is running. So let's switch to the Windows machine and connect to free Wi-Fi. And you can see I've been redirected to this nice web login interface where I need to log in using my social media account in order to gain internet access. So for this example, I will select Facebook and type jack@gmail.com for the email. And let me in for the password. And click login. Now, the script is written to fail in the first attempt because most of the time users will try to enter fake information. So let's say the victim will try the second attempt and maybe he will use the real password. So for example, this time he will use just let me in 456 for the password and try to log in again. And now the victim will have access to the internet. Okay, so let's go back to the Kali machine and stop the access point using Ctrl+C and see if I have managed to capture the login information, which should be saved in a text file called passwords. So I will list the files using ls. And here is the password.txt file. So I will open the file using nano and the file name. And here you can see the first and the second password, the email address, and the social network Facebook. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.